Test 3 covers chapters 8 and 9. And basically, those are going to be vitamins, minerals, and water. So we are continuing with those 6 classes of nutrients, which we started off the very beginning of the semester with. And so we kind of we trended with doing carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and then chapter 7 was a little bit different, but then we picked back up with discussing those essential nutrients, those that are required for life. Now, vitamins are going to be your first chapter, chapter 8. And so for vitamins in chapter 8, you're going to be looking at the difference in fat-soluble vitamins, water-soluble vitamins. And for both of them, and for both types of them, what is going to be important is their use, so the function of each of the vitamins. Their food sources are going to be important. And some of these you're going to see they have some unique food sources. Some of them you're going to see some overlap. With the B vitamins, you're going to see a little bit of overlap. B vitamins are going to be water-soluble vitamins along with vitamin C. So you will see a lot more overlap with the B vitamins. With the fat-soluble vitamins, they're a bit more unique in their roles and in their food sources. So we're going to look at for all of the vitamins and also for all the minerals. So I'm going to give you a little cheat into the next one. We're just going to make this, condense it up a little bit better. For the minerals in chapter 9, you're going to look at the trace minerals and the major minerals, both equally important. It's just how much your body requires each day. But for all the vitamins, for all the minerals, we're going to be looking at functions that are going to be important, food sources, deficiencies. What can happen if there's a deficiency of them? And excesses. Some of them have toxicity. So what can happen if there are toxicities or excesses? My opinion on this is there's going to be a lot of memorization that this can require. So just kind of go into it knowing that some of this you're just going to have to just kind of drill it into your head. But that's really what we're looking at. We're examining each of those vitamins, we're examining each of those minerals, and we're taking a look at their role in the body. How do we get them in our body? What do they do? What happens if we don't have enough? What happens if we have too much? And then also chapter 9, we'll talk about water as well, because we know that water is essential and is required. So we'll do that in chapter 9. Now for chapter 8, you're going to have a set of essay discussion questions and a discussion assignment. For chapter 9, you're going to have a quiz, and then there'll be the test that covers chapters 8 and 9, which will be test 3, and you'll have your larger discussion post that'll be due. So that's just kind of a quick look at what's going to happen with this section. Really just drilling down in on vitamins, minerals, and then taking a look at water and why water is essential for the body, how much water we need in our diet, how much we should consume, at rest when we're doing activities. So different things of that. And that's going to conclude looking at those 6 classes of nutrients. So we'll finish that up, and then we'll shift gears as we move into the final sections in the textbook and in the course. Thanks so much. If you have any questions, let me know.